Alright guys, I'm going to make a short little video straight to the point on how to make a good YouTube thumbnail, or at least I think they're good, they're easy to make. First off, all the things I use will be in the description. I'm not going to spend too much time talking about where to find them because it'll be in the description. First off, the thing that you want to use is remove.bg. This, and I use camera. I use the camera app on Word. So, I can't do it because I got OBS up. It's great. I got some stock photos. So, upload an image. Let's say, I got some ugly ass pictures on here. Let's pick a really ugly one. Let's see. Boom. Alright, so you upload your picture and it's really quick. Use the free one. It looks just about the same. Boy, that wink though. So download. And then once it downloads, we're going to go to Canva. Hopefully I don't have any porn in my download history. I don't know, but we'll see. I usually don't download, so I should be good. I hope. YouTube thumbnail. Also, I'm not sponsored by any of these people. I don't get paid for anything for doing this. I just thought it'd be helpful because it took me forever to figure this out. The remove.bg thing, I think that I found that out from a YouTube video actually. It was like some hot Asian chick. That's where I found that out. And I couldn't find it again, so I don't know who it is. So, so I use Canva for this, where you actually put it all together. It's super nice because it keeps all your uploads and whatnot. Device, and then so it puts that thing I got like with the remove background in my downloads. So boom, we put that here. This is all the things I've uploaded. Look at that face, looking like I'm about to suck a fatty boy. Let's see. I have a lot of games I could use. Una, because that game was awesome. Boom. Take a screenshot. If you don't know how to do it, it's different for every keyboard, but I use Shift print screen on mine. And that takes a screenshot. Let me show you how to do that real quick. Boom, print screen. Go to Paint. Boom, Control V. What I do here is, because I got two monitors, I select this part. Probably a lot better than I'm about to do. File New. Boom. Now what we're going to do is, sometimes it won't grab the picture specifically, so you gotta like redo it with Control Z, Control V. If I'm talking fast, I'm sorry. Put me on like 0.5 speed or something on YouTube. It should help. Now, resize. Thumbnails are 1280 by 720, boy. But the thing with Canva you can do is, which I'm skipping steps. It's alright. This all makes sense, hopefully. So this is my picture. But I already got one, so I'm not going to use that. I already got it uploaded on my Canva. When you go to Canva, you want to... Oh, man, I messed up. There should be a search up here. Oh, there it is. And then you type in YouTube thumbnail. Boom. Well, back. Oh, here it is. YouTube thumbnail. Sorry. I'm just kind of doing this on a whim, so if it seems disorganized, it is. So, create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Then I go to my photos that I have saved here. That's not my photos. Uploads, where my photos are saved, I guess. And then if I wanted to upload that picture I took, so I go to Device. Boom. Una. Easy. And then, this is my remove.bg picture. So you can put that there. You can resize it. You want to resize with your diagonal thing here, because if you use the left and right, it's just going to remove your picture. Unless you're making it bigger. But if you go diagonal, you can shrink and make it bigger. Yeah, it's pretty easy. The hardware I use, you'll see it in the description, but I bought this thing for lighting. It's actually super nice, and it makes you look ugly better. And I have like the standard 1080p Logitech webcam, so... But yeah, as I said, I'll leave links to all this in the description. Hopefully this is helpful to you. I know I talked really fast, I was disorganized, but I was trying to be straight to the point for people that don't want all the extra BS. But yeah, alright guys, bye! Also, real quick, I'm going to include this part. If you're having trouble making it, just hit me up in the comments. I'm always free to I always get back to people that comment, unless you don't tag me. If you make a comment string, someone's making another comment string and you leave a comment, I don't get those unless you you reply to me directly. So if you do that, I can't get it. But if you put it normally where I can see it, I will always respond to help you guys out. So if I talked over anything super fast, you didn't get it, I should be able to help. I don't know if you use an Apple. If you use Apple or Mac, I can't help you. You're on your own. Or Linux, I don't know. Who uses Linux for video making? I don't know. All right, guys. Bye again.